the step toward truth, aligning with your life's purpose. Have you ever felt an unexplainable pull toward something, a passion, a skill, a purpose, without knowing why? This is not random. It is the law of life's purpose in action, shaping our path and guiding us toward what we are truly meant to do. From a young age, we are naturally drawn to certain activities. Some children instinctively gravitate toward art, science, or leadership, while others find deep fascination in business, teaching, or sports. This internal drive, this hidden code within us, is the purest expression of who we are. It is not something imposed on us. It is something that rises from within. But what happens when external pressures drown out this voice? When we pursue something only because others expect it of us, we feel resistance. It becomes a burden rather than a joy. However, when our passion is authentic, when it comes from within, it becomes effortless. Passion versus pressure, the key to true success. Imagine picking up a tennis racket for the first time. At first, every shot misses. Frustration sets in. The temptation to quit is strong, but those who truly succeed aren't the ones who give up at the first challenge. They are the ones who trust the process, believe in their ability to improve, and keep going despite the setbacks. It's not just about talent. It's about energy, faith, love, and the passion we bring into what we do. When we approach something with joy and curiosity, we build positive energy, attracting success. When we approach it with doubt, fear, and stress, we reinforce failure. This is true for every area of life. Whether it's business, relationships, or personal growth, our mindset shapes our reality. The emotions we cultivate become our dominant vibration, influencing the way we experience life. The illusion of external success. Many people chase material success, believing it will bring happiness. They work tirelessly for wealth, status, and recognition, only to realize that something is still missing. Because true fulfillment does not come from external achievements alone. The difference lies in alignment. When we are connected to our true purpose, success is not just about money. It is about freedom, joy, and deep satisfaction. Without this alignment, no amount of wealth will ever feel like enough. The step toward truth, listening to your inner calling. So how do we know if we are on the right path? Ask yourself, am I excited about this journey, or am I just fulfilling an obligation? Do I feel passion or just pressure? Am I adjusting my path with joy, or am I forcing an outcome simply because I once said I would? There is wisdom in knowing when to persist and when to change direction. True success is not about stubbornly sticking to a plan at all costs. It's about being in tune with our heart and trusting where it leads us. The ultimate key to growth. If there is one lesson to take from this, it is this: follow what truly excites you. Success is an internal state. Your energy creates your reality. The question is, are you listening to your heart, or are you letting the world decide your path for you?